In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage chat notifications in ClickUp. Notification settings 2026. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Choose the sign-in method you prefer, continue with email, or use a connected social account. Both work fine. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're logging into the correct one so you're adjusting the right notifications. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your central hub, with quick access to tasks, chats, and recent activity. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your name. That's your account menu, and it's where you'll access all personal preferences and settings. Click your profile icon or name to open the drop-down menu. This reveals a short list of account options. From that list, choose Settings. This takes you to the Settings view, where you can fine-tune how ClickUp behaves for your account. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Chats. This is the section dedicated to how you're notified about chat activity across your workspace. It's the best place to tailor what you hear about and when, so you stay informed without being overwhelmed. Inside the Chats section, you can customize notifications for web and mobile. Web notifications typically mean browser or desktop alerts while you're working on your computer. If you want those to appear, make sure your browser allows notifications for ClickUp. Most browsers will prompt you to grant permission the first time. If you miss that prompt, you can enable it later in your browser site settings. These notifications are useful if you like real-time pings while actively working. For mobile notifications, you'll need the ClickUp app installed and signed in on your device. Turning on push notifications here ensures you're alerted on the go. If you aren't receiving pushes after enabling them, check your device's notification settings to confirm alerts are allowed for the app. Now, simply enable the notifications you want to customize. Toggle on the chat alerts that matter most, such as direct messages or mentions, and disable the ones that create noise. Many people start with mentions and direct messages only, then add more as needed. Changes usually save automatically, but give the page a second to apply them. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened the chat's preferences, and tailored web and mobile notifications to match your workflow. Revisit these options anytime as your needs change and keep your workspace focused without missing important messages.